What's up, boys? Hey, this is my new garage right here. You can check it out. See over there a damn noisy ass damn garbage truck? Yes. You guys can see all my Adams stuff down here on the ground. Cody dropped a couple of bottles and busted them and all the shit went everywhere. Gotta put that panel on, that electric panel on. I gotta make this garage look nice because I'm gonna be modding the Jeep, shooting you guys videos out here in the garage. So this channel is gonna be about modding the Jeep, four-wheel driving, fishing, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to cook some of the best fish you've ever cooked in your entire life. Most of you guys know that the Jeep had low miles when I bought it. Take a look at this right here. I don't know how many miles it's got on it. Probably, oh, it's got 29 miles on it. There you go, 29 miles. There is the mileage right there. 3,673 miles. So, 3,673 miles in 8 days, guys. That's some serious driving there. We came down here, signed the lease, got the utilities turned on, drove back to Georgia, loaded the truck up, then drove back here. So I'll tell you, man, I'm freaking tired. I can't tell you guys how happy I am that this is my garage. This is my garage. There's no ex-wife gonna be telling me I gotta do this or do that. Nothing. This is my garage. My garage. I am so happy right now just to have my own space. She had the whole entire house, but she wanted to take my space too. And of course, it's got a garage opener. Hit the button. Look at that. It's like magic. Uh-oh. There we go. This is right off the South Padre Island, I guess, causeway or whatever it is. But you can see right here, this is a real good place to fish as well. We are going to put the drone up, see if we can catch some fish from above out there. See if there's some schools of fish. But this is definitely pretty cool driving this Jeep down here. I love it, man. I'm so happy being down here back in Texas, 3 hours away from my family. I'm really gonna enjoy this. You guys don't know how much I'm gonna enjoy this. Once I find a job, and I've applied for like 7 to 10 jobs. First 2 days I was down here, so hopefully I get one, or else I'm gonna be living on the beach. You know what I mean, guys? So hopefully I get a job. And I'm so sick of this pandemic shit. I'm required to wear a mask everywhere I go. I actually got one inside here. But this is just crazy, man. Crazy. Oh hell, there's a couch. There's a couch and we need a couch. Oh shit, I ain't getting that shit. Look at that trash. Somebody just left their damn trash right out here. Look at this shit. Everywhere, all the way out through here is nothing but trash everywhere. Now guys, this isn't the Corpus Christi I remember. You know, I used to live down here and I'm telling you, all this trash, people just ain't got no respect, man. None at all. No reason for all that trash to be down here. That's amazing. But anyways, let's head to the house. I'll show you what I've done to my my streaming setup and everything like that. I wonder if it's the homeless people living underneath that bridge responsible for all that trash, or just people fishing down there. There's a lot of homeless people in there. At least they got vehicles. Made little campers out of wood and stuff. This is a place I love, guys. I'm telling you. It is a great place to live. Alright, you guys ready to see the Outlaw Pad? Here we go. There we go. Got everything set up, the computer, all my charging station over here to charge all my cameras, the drone, pretty much everything. Over here, I just got a temporary shrine to the 1LE. Up there is gonna go a Jeep flag. It should be here tomorrow. 3 foot by 5 foot Jeep flag. Over here, I got more of my Camaro shrine. Now guys, that Camaro won all these freaking trophies. All these freaking trophies. Alright. Got my Adams polishes. And one of my favorite pictures of the 1LE. Of course, you got my bed, which I wish I didn't have in here. But this is what it looks like so far. I mean, and then the whiteboard's up there. And I was thinking about using this room in here just for the streaming, because we ain't got nothing in here because my daughter didn't come down. As you guys can see, it's empty. I mean, it's got my printer in there. All right, guys, since me and Cody don't know how to cook anything, you know, like in the oven or do anything, let me show you what I got to cook with. Check it out, guys. This is gonna make some good food. And we're gonna have to, I'm gonna paint all this. I'm just gonna get a board and match it and paint all this and put some 1x4s up down there around here. Apparently the people that lived here before had some dogs and they've done all this damage. But anyway, this is the smoker that I bought. All right, over here is your fire pit where you put, you can see I have a piece of wood in there, mesquite. Here is where I'm going to be cooking all the badass fish, and it's got a temperature thing on it, which is pretty cool. So I use the big blocks of mesquite and Kingsford hardwood charcoal. Yeah. All right, man.
You get to act
a little
like
fire
a hot shot.
going.
Now your body bleeding from the hot shot. Oh, I ain't tryna be no up, doc. No, oh, I ain't tryna be no up, doc. My daddy left from Palestine to Houston in a coffin. Nah, he ain't dead, but mentally we probably lost him. I feel like Kendrick Perkins running 5-on-5 in Boston. Cause I've been running way too long, now I just feel exhausted. Cause I've seen 18 wakes at 18. I've carried so much weight like hot green. I've done things I can't believe. I just might break down and scream. Cause band-aids won't fix the wrist slits. Carved up a 6'6". I was on the list. I grew up a misfit. All black lipstick, white face paint, tongue out like a kiss disc. My partner gave me 6 bricks and he told me flip this. Money bags with a mask on like Ipkiss. If he wanna run, I hit the blitz with the hit stick. The biscuit to turn a grown man to a pancake.